Hey guys, this is just going to be a quick video because I promised that I would do it, and I forgot to start a camera on time, if you'd say. This is about building a 5-volt power supply, and the cable that I got was, if you remember a few weeks, I disassembled a gamepad, and like I said, you can make a power supply with these, and you're just gonna need these. These are header pins, and let me see if I can solder them on. Let's see. Okay. That's a solid connection. Great. Now let's use some heat shrink tubing. Let me just wipe off the excess solder. Okay. And you repeat the same thing with the black wire. Let me just bend it because it's easier to solder. The wires were pre-tinned, so it's not going to be a problem. Okay. I will use a lighter later just to shrink the heat shrink tubing. Okay guys, so that's it. I will shrink the heat shrink tubing with a lighter later. I soldered it. Just keep in mind that 5 volts is red and ground, or 0 volts is black. And it's like that on almost every 5-volt power supply. What else do you need? What else do you need, you may ask me. Okay, you need one of these. This is a phone charger, a normal phone charger. Now, let's see. If no explosion happens, that means we have built our 5-volt power supply rather successfully. Now let's check. I turned it on. I set it to DC, and let's see. Is it 5 volts? And yes, it is. Whoa, don't short it. Don't short these out. And yes, it is. It's 5 volts. And that is easy as pie. I'm sorry about the mess on my table. I was assembling a kit, and I didn't want to film it because I assembled a kit so I could review a soldering station, this one. A video coming up on it. I'm kind of disappointed. I mean, I expected a little more of it. I don't know. So yeah, let me just tin the tip if it's possible. Good. It's tinned. Okay, I was assembling this clock circuit. So yeah. Okay, let's just test the power supply if it works. Black lead, red lead. And yes, it does. It works. That'll be all for this video. I will post it. It's going to be a short one. And yes, video on this soldering station coming up.